Hello, so I wanted to talk and make a quick video about the restrictions that a lot of you were asking about and why an expression couldn't be equal to x. So in this example, I wanted to kind of point out the correct answer, which is down here where it says x cannot be equal to -2. The reason why x can't be equal to -2 is that you are never allowed to divide by 0. This is just something we're not going to allow. So when we look at the original expression, there are two numbers that would potentially make this expression be dividing by 0. If x were equal to -2, obviously it would make this expression 0. And if x were equal to 2, that would be another value that would make the expression equal to 0. The only reason why we can't have -2 at the final is because that's the expression that got eliminated throughout our work. So in this problem, the only restriction we have is -2 because that's the expression that's canceled out. So let's look at another example. In this next example, once we've canceled out a bunch of expressions, we realize, well, we canceled out an x here, and we canceled out some y's here. So both of those are listed as restrictions in our final expression. So again, these values that y and x are not equal to relate to the values that we're dividing out in our simplifying. Let's look at one more. In this expression, there's a lot of factoring going on. So we can see that there are multiple expressions in the denominator. But let's focus on the ones that end up getting canceled out. So the expressions that get canceled out are here, here, and here. So what we're looking at is a value of -5, and that comes from this factor. We're looking at a value of 0, that comes from this factor. And we're also looking at a value of 1, and that comes from this factor. Those are what the restrictions are for these problems. I hope that helps.